Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're here, you're probably curious about trading on the Nasdaq. Well, you're in the right place. I'm excited to dive into this journey with you. First things first, what is the Nasdaq? The Nasdaq is one of the largest stock exchanges in the world, home to some of the biggest tech companies. Think Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. Trading here can be thrilling and rewarding if you know what you're doing. Now you might be wondering, why should I trade on the Nasdaq? Well, for starters, it's known for its high volatility. That means there are plenty of opportunities to make a profit if you play your cards right. Plus, with its focus on tech and innovation, you're always in the mix of the latest trends and advancements. But before we jump into trading strategies, let's talk about preparation. It's crucial to have a solid understanding of the market. Do your research. Stay updated with the latest news, follow financial reports, and understand the economic factors that can impact stock prices. Another key aspect is setting up your trading platform. There are many options out there, so find one that suits your needs and preferences. Make sure it's reliable, offers real-time data, and has the tools you need for analysis. When it comes to trading on the Nasdaq, having a strategy is essential. Whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or long-term investor, having a plan can help you stay focused and disciplined. Remember, trading isn't just about making quick profits. It's about managing risk and making informed decisions. One popular strategy is technical analysis. This involves analyzing charts, patterns, and indicators to predict future price movements. While it might sound complicated, it's a valuable skill that can give you an edge in the market. I'll be covering this in more detail in future videos, so stay tuned. Risk management is another crucial aspect of trading. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, and always have an exit strategy. Trading can be emotional, but sticking to your plan can help you stay grounded. Alright, that's a quick overview of what you can expect on this channel. I'll be sharing tips, strategies, and insights to help you navigate the exciting world of Nasdaq trading. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Let's dive into Nasdaq trading together and make the most of it. Catch you in the next video.